Hey guys. So yesterday we talked about clocks and the things that are on the clock. Remember that the shorthand is called the hour hand and the longhand is called the minute hand. And if the minute hand is pointing to 12, that means that we call it o'clock or on the hour. So the hour hand points to how many hours have actually passed. So to demonstrate this, we've got a number line. Now, yesterday we talked about essentially the clock is a number line that's been curled into a circle. So I have a number line here, and you can see it goes all the way to 7. So this is a number line. If I took and curled this up into a circle, it'd be pretty much the same thing as the clock. You see how that is numbered in regular spaces, so they're all kind of the same, spaced out. So that's a number line that's in a circle. Now, inside of a number line, this is 1, right? This whole piece after 1 is also 1. It all belongs to 1, right? This whole piece. And then this whole piece belongs to 2, right? So the purple belongs to 1, and the blue belongs to 2. And we can keep going. So this piece belongs to 3, right? Here's 3, and all of this belongs to 3. Then we've got 4. Whoop. And all of that belongs to 4, and so on and so on. So you can see that if I point anywhere inside here, it's still 1, right? Whether it's right here or right here. Well, when the hour hand is pointing on the inside of a clock, if it's anywhere after 1, but before it changes to 2, it's going to be 1 o'clock. Okay, that's the hour that we say. So I'm going to show you this on the clock. Now you can see I've added all these wedges because really the clock is just divided up into pieces, just like a candy bar really, or a piece of pie or a pizza. So as I take these away, you're going to see right here at the very top that's 12 o'clock right there. It's kind of covered. So this is the 12 o'clock wedge. All of this belongs to 12 o'clock. If I take this one away, all of this, see there's 1, from here to here until that 2, all of that is 1 o'clock. And we're going to keep going. So all of that is 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7. All of that wedge belonged to 7. See this yellow square? Everything inside there belonged to 8. 9. All of that belongs to 10. And all of that belongs to 12. Right now, I want you to point at your screen and touch the area that belongs to 12 o'clock. Did you put it right here? Good. Let's try another one. Point to the area that belongs to 6 o'clock. Right here is where your finger should be. This whole wedge should be 6 o'clock. What about 9 o'clock? We should be pointing right here. Here's 9. This whole piece belongs to 9, right? So anywhere in here you can put it. Now what about 2 o'clock? Right here. Now you're going to practice this by going to Seesaw, and you're going to pull up a clock that looks very similar, and it says, color the space that belongs to 3 o'clock blue. So that's going to be your job. You're going to pick the space that is 3 o'clock, which would be right here. And what color am I going to put it? I'm going to color it in blue. Okay? It doesn't have to be perfect, but I want most of that to be blue. And you've got 6 of those that you're going to do. So head to Seesaw and try to color. If you're really struggling with this, now would be a great time to ask Mom about the clock. Okay? Just remember that after 2 This is just all of the 2. All of this belongs to 3. All of this belongs to 4. So we've got our clock divided up. It's your job to figure out what belongs to each number.